the sliding mechanism will not fit correctly, so when the door is closed you will see that it does not quite fit in. It does not fit correctly, so the door will open because it's not latching. See, the door still open, closes because it does not latch. If that happens, you're gonna have to use another piece that comes with the set. You get another door stop, and you just turn one upside down, and then you can screw them together. And then after you do that, it'll work just fine. You have to find the right size shim that you need, though. Right size. So just unscrew it again. Then you take the same same piece that you had, and you put one of the other ones upside down on it, like that. Just put it in like that. It's just like the other one right here, but you just turn it around and put it in here, and use that as a shim to allow you to be able to make it thick enough so the KidLock will work the way it's designed. Hopefully your door jamb is a little bit better than this one as far as the size, how everything goes together, and you won't have to use a shim. But in the meanwhile, once we get that locked on, it's ready to go. Now when you close the door, you'll see that the KidLock works just fine. Slide it, the door does not open. Then from there, slide it back and it opens. So therefore you can unlock or lock the door from either side of the door. The kids cannot get in, and everything is good at that point. This will work on bathroom doors, closet doors, laundry doors, just any type of inside door that you have in your house. Again, close the door. Slide it back, and you got it. And that's how you install it. Just make sure that this is flush and that it's about a ½ an inch away from here, because if it's too close, the screwdriver will be too close to the door and it'll be hard to work it. Hard to work the screwdriver. So it's got to be at least a ½ an inch from here. This one here is more like 3/8. It should be a little bit further out, maybe ½ an inch or so. And if you have any troubles trying to get it lined up or get it installed, you can give us a call at 503-359-9200. Thanks.